Hello students, and in this session we will continue the same with the shapes topic. And in previous session we have studied about some shapes, how to draw these shapes. So now we'll now start the assignment for you, that is illustrate or to describe the architecture of a Linux system. So for that, this is the architecture, and now we have to draw this. We'll see how to draw. We need your shapes are not available, so you can click on this show draw function is there. You can just move cursor to this icon. You will see how the name is there. For this show the draw functions is there, so you can click on that. You will get the barriers, that is for the shapes. So you can add here the circles. You can see in this the circles are present, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 circles are there. So draw that circles. Second circle, third circle. You can adjust from these points, and this is a fourth. Then we'll see, send it to the back, arrange. Here you can click on this circle. This point is to selected. It will show you this is the selected circle. You can arrange it. Right click on that, then arrange, then send backward. Okay. Or you can select this send to back. One is here. Again you can select it and range, that is send to back. Send to back. These 3 circles are there, and one more circle, that is you can just click and see how many circles are there. You can place it over here on this, so you can just select it. For background, that is one circle is there, so you can select and then right click, arrange, bring to front. You can do both the process, then arrange on this. Again it is the hidden circle is there, so you can bring to front. You can do that. Arrange it on the center of the page. So this circle we want, you can, how you want, you can adjust it from these points. It is take you your time to adjust it properly. After you adjust it, you can do the next procedure. So now the circles are ready. We just need here to choose the colors of the circles. So select it first, then right click on it, then here it is area option is there. Select that area. From that the palette is open, and then for area we need here the white space, or you can choose here directly from this. gradients are present. So just click on this reason. You can select any color. It is the gradient part. In previous we have seen that what is the transparency, how it looks, and the gradient part also we have seen. Just you can, I'll show you how to add this. Add it and then OK. You will see now how it looks. So you can try this with all of these circles. I have already created here the circle, and then these are the separations for your application. Then compiler is there. We'll see how to do this. For this outer part, here line is there, so click on that and then you draw the line from this. It is not selected, I think. Okay. You can just draw here and then you can place this line to your circle, and from this you can adjust here. All the points you can do here same way as we have done earlier. This is the one part. Then the next part is from this line. If you get wrong somewhere, you can adjust this. Click and then place it where you want. Then here one line is there. I don't want to spend your time much, so I just created one earlier. As we have seen, like it is area, how to change the area color, how to the color or the texture can be changed, the line width can be changed here. So with the help of that you can do that. You need to just see the first video on the shape. I'll show you once again how to change the line. Here right click on that. I'll show you once again. Right click, then line. Here the continuous line is there. Then others, the types of lines are there present here. You can just select here the color of it, on which you can select here, or the width. You have selected. Then with the help of that we have created this much. You can write this with the double click on the center. Double click and then write here. Here we cannot write because it comes at the middle. It will overwrite on this hardware. See, this is the hardware for the inner circle. For outer circle we have this kernel. You can see in this kernel is there, then shell is there. So for that, that's why the reason is because we will get the override the text on the hardware. So you can do one thing, that is you can take a text box for that. Then you can double click on that. Then you write here whatever you want. Then change the color and line here. whichever you want, you can take that, choose that colors. Okay, and then inner area can be changed here. So you take this and place it here. You can adjust this text to this. So see, it is completed. I hope you were understood how to do this. So now you all know how to do this. So for this I grouped it in one. You can click and drag anywhere, it will comes in a group. So it is not divided. You can see in this it is not grouped yet. It can be moved anywhere. So you can do select it, all these circles and the text. You just write here text. I wanted to just group it. Then you will select this outer circle. Then don't click at once. You need to click and drag to the end. Then it will get selected all these circles and text on this page, that selected area. Click on group and then you will have this group. Okay, you can move this now anywhere. It is not separated now. If you want again ungroup this, you are getting some mistakes on this, and then you can ungroup it with the help of same procedure. Here ungroup is there, so ungroup it. Now you can do changes on your diagram. So I'll show you the next procedure how to do that. I'll do ungroup here, then the arrangement, that is not arrangement, areas. Fill these colors. Simply you can add a color or you can gradient, means it comes in a shade, so you can also click on that. I'll just take for now same color everywhere. Okay. Then the outer area, then gray. You have filled now. As same as this circles, you need to click on the text area, whatever we have done with the text boxes. So click on area. Also you can do there. It will see as same as this. You need to do this. All the text boxes fill with the colors, that is gray. I'll show you next one. That is, the users are there to use these applications. So we'll see that. From this diamond shape, you have the rectangular rounded. Add here. The user one. It aligned to the center. You can change here the color, that is green. arrow is there, this arrow. Change the color for this black, select it and do OK, and also the line. It is done. Then the user 2 is this VI editor. From this point you can curve this outer lines, that is corners. If you want this slightly, you can change. If you don't want, again you can drag it to the outer side. Area, okay, and arrows is present. Area is black, also the line. If you want the same text box, so you can click on that, then copy that, right click on that, then copy and click outer side of the page, and then you paste. You will get same. Double click on it and change this and drag where you want. From here the upper arrow is there. Same as that earlier, you can select the black color from this palette. Now we have done already with your this assignment. So as same you can do all this user N also for this, and all the text boxes need to be changed here. You can see the difference. So again, you, after the drawing is completed or the architecture is completed, you just click and drag and right click, group, click on that group. You will get the diagram. You can move it to the anywhere. Now it is not separate text boxes or any circle, it is grouped in one. Here in this diagram you can see the hardware part, that is the hardware is the first layer, then the kernel is the second layer, and the shell is another layer, and here is the utilities. Then user can use this applications to control and manage the computer hardware, software resources, and the operating system is required for the computer. Here the operating system acts as the intermediate between the hardware part, and the user defined application. These are the user defined applications. And Unix is a multitasking multi-user operating system. Unix has graphical user interface environment. The internal design view of this operating system can be known from its architecture. So this is the architecture to know how it works. Okay, the hardware layer is consists of all peripheral devices, that is the RAM, or you can say the hard disk or CPU, and etc. The other parts are there. So next is kernel. It is the core component of operating system, interact directly with hardware part, and then they provide low level service to these upper layers component. And then shell and interface to kernel, hiding complexity of kernel's functions from users. The shell takes commands from the user and executes kernel's function. So it is the middle part that is connects with to this outer layer parts and the kernel part. So it takes the it interacts with the kernel and also with the applications from the users. And the next is utilities. Utility programs means these are the utilities, these applications, and that provide the user most of the functionalities of an operating system. Here the application can be say that the functionalities from the computers to the users, and these are the some users are there. So user 1, it means the n number of user can access the system, the architecture of the Linux system. So we'll stop here. Thank you.